Getting started with a Webull app is simple, even if you're new to investing. Once you download and open the app, create an account by entering your details and verifying your identity. After logging in, explore the main sections: markets, watch list, trade, and account. The Markets tab shows real time prices and news for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can add stocks to your watch list to easily track them. When you're ready to invest, go to the Trade tab and search for the stock you want, and choose how many shares you want to buy or sell. You can pick from different order types like market or limit orders. Webull also offers helpful charts and analysis tools to research stocks before trading. Plus, you can practice with paper trading if you want to get comfortable without using like really real money and getting into the real action. Lastly, the Accounts app lets you check your balance, transaction history, and settings. Webull's user-friendly interface and zero commissions make it a great choice for beginners. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and ask any questions in the comments.